T-Mobile Jump 2.0 is a device upgrade program designed to help customers upgrade their smartphones before they're completely paid off. The program allows you to upgrade to a new phone even when you still owe money on your current device. Instead of waiting to pay off the full amount, you can upgrade once you've met certain requirements. To participate in Jump 2.0, you must pay a monthly fee that ranges from $7 to $12, depending on your device tier. Premium smartphones like iPhone Pro models cost $12 per month, while mid-tier devices cost $7 monthly. The key eligibility requirement is that you must have paid off at least 50% of your device's retail cost. This means if your phone costs $1,000, you need to pay down at least $500 before you can upgrade. When you upgrade, you must return your current device in good working condition. This means no cracked screens, no water damage, all buttons must work, and the battery must hold a charge adequately. Jump 2.0 also includes device protection coverage as part of the monthly fee. This insurance component covers accidental damage, with deductibles typically ranging from $29 for screen repairs to higher amounts for complete device replacement. Today, T-Mobile positions Jump 2.0 as a supplementary option rather than their primary upgrade solution. The company now focuses more on standard equipment installment plans and manufacturer trade-in programs from Apple, Samsung, and Google. Jump 2.0 remains available for customers who want the flexibility to upgrade early, but it's important to understand the costs and requirements before enrolling in the program. Jump 2.0 comes with monthly fees that vary based on your device tier. Premium smartphones like iPhone Pro or Galaxy Ultra models cost $12 per month, while standard smartphones cost $9 monthly, and mid-tier devices are $7 per month. Additionally, there's an upgrade processing fee ranging from $20 to $30 each time you upgrade your device through the Jump program. To be eligible for Jump 2.0 upgrades, you must meet several requirements. Your account must be in good standing, you need to have paid off 50% of your device's retail price, and your Jump 2.0 monthly fees must be current. Several alternatives to Jump 2.0 exist that may offer better value. The Apple Upgrade program allows you to get a new iPhone every year with AppleCare included, often providing better trade-in values than carrier programs. Samsung also offers their own upgrade program with competitive trade-in values and flexible upgrade timing, often beating carrier programs for Samsung device users. Standard trade-in options and purchasing unlocked devices are also worth considering, especially if you keep devices for longer periods. These alternatives often provide better long-term value without monthly fees. When choosing between Jump 2.0 and alternatives, consider your upgrade frequency, device preferences, and total cost of ownership. Manufacturer programs often provide better value for brand-loyal customers, while Jump 2.0 may suit those who want carrier integration and device protection.